Okay, topic is traveling salesman problem using branch and bound. In branch and bound, we solve two problems, that is traveling salesman problem using least cost branch and bound is the first one. Second one is 0 by 1 knapsack problem using branch and bound. Here these are the applications in branch and bound. The two applications of branch and bound is nothing but first one is traveling salesman problem using least cost branch and bound. Second one, 0 by 1 knapsack problem can be solved in two ways, that is least cost branch and bound. Next one is nothing but FIFO branch and bound. Least cost branch and bound in 0 by 1 knapsack problem is nothing but we solve the problem, that is level by level from left to right. The problem will be solved in 0 by 1 knapsack problem. Next one, second one is 0 by 1 knapsack problem using FIFO branch and bound, that is the problem will be solved in level by level from top to bottom. The problem will be solved. First one, traveling salesman problem, that is least cost branch and bound. To traverse from one city to another city by covering all the cities is nothing but next reaching to the starting one is nothing but traveling salesman problem. Second one is 0 by 1 knapsack problem, that is least cost branch and bound and FIFO branch and bound. Least cost branch and bound is nothing but level by level the problem will be solved, that is from left to right the problem will be solved. Second one, FIFO branch and bound is nothing but level by level the problem will be solved. Next one, from top to bottom the problem will be solved, that is 0 by 1 knapsack problem using FIFO branch and bound. Next one, traveling salesman problem. What is the way to solve the traveling salesman problem is nothing but to travel from one city to another city by covering all the cities, reaching to the starting one is nothing but with the minimum cost is nothing but a traveling salesman problem. Here you can see here, if there are n cities and the cost of traveling from one city to another city is given, that is distance will be given. Next one, a salesperson, that is to travel from one city to another city. A salesperson has to start from one city to another city to visit all the cities exactly once and return to the starting one place with shortest distance, that is nothing but minimum cost is nothing but a traveling salesman problem. Traveling salesman problem is nothing but starting from one city, reaching to the all the intermediate cities and reaching to the starting one with the minimum cost is nothing but a traveling salesman problem. Here the state space tree for the traveling salesman problem, here you can see here, that is in every path 4 nodes are being covered. You can see here one, here you can see here one, this is the 1 2, next one 4, next one 11, next one here you can see here, that is 1 2 3 4, next one 1 2 3 4, next one 1 2 3 4, next one 1 2 3 4, next 1 2 3 4. That is in each and every state space tree we will be having 4 nodes, that is covering the 4 nodes. Here you can see here in each and every path we will be having 4 nodes. 1 2 5 11 is the one, next one 1 2 6 12 is the another one, next one 1 3 7 13, next one 1 3 8 14, next one 1 4 9 15, next one 1 4 10 16. That is we will be having 4 nodes in each and every level of the state space tree. Here you can see here what is meant by state space tree is nothing but here you can see here the figure, that is tree for the traveling salesperson with n equal to 4, that is n equal to 4 means here we will be having 1 2 3 4, that is covering 1 2 3 4, that is I0 to I4 equal to 1, that is graph contains 4 nodes starting from one node to another node. Next one, here what is meant by E node and the next one is nothing but what is meant by live node, that is nothing but live node is nothing but you can see here in this diagram, in this level first level and second one, first and second one, here you can see here first and second one, This is nothing but 1 is nothing but a E node. Next one live node is nothing but 2, 3, 4 are nothing but a live nodes. Here you can see here initially the salesperson start from one node which is nothing but a E node. Next one at 1 will be having, that is node is nothing but, as there are 4 nodes, the salesperson start from node 1 and reaching 2, that is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 are nothing but a live node, that is nothing but we will generate the state space tree for the traveling salesman problem. That is here you can see here, let G equal to V comma E. V comma E is nothing but graph is a collection of vertices and edges, that is nothing but it will be ranges from C cap value and U value in between the C. Next one, how to solve the least cost branch and bound. That is the problem is nothing but here the matrix representation will be given, that is 5 by 5 matrix. The 5 by 5 matrix is nothing but the cost matrix of a given, that is graph consisting of 5 nodes in each given under, that is each entry in the cost matrix is considered as the cost to travel from one node to another node. We need to least cost, that is by covering all the nodes and with the minimum cost we have to reach, that is nothing but a traveling salesman problem using branch and bound. Here the example of matrix has been taken. Here you can see here 5 by 5 matrix, that is nothing but infinity, 2, 30, 10, 11, like this we have taken, that is nothing but 5 by 5 matrix has been taken. Next one, to generate the solution for the least cost branch and bound, we have to perform, that is row reduction and column reduction, and next one is nothing but we have to find the cost matrix, that is cost matrix is equal to row matrix row reduction plus column reduction. How to solve this one? You can see here least cost branch and bound. Here we have taken, that is the matrix of 5 by 4. Next one we have to perform, that is row reduction, column reduction. Next one is nothing but we have to find the cost at that node. Here you can see here the solution to generate. First one, a row is said to be reduced if it contains at least one zero. All remaining entries are non-zeros. Next one, if we are not having the zeros, we have to subtract the least value from the row, that is nothing but a row reduction. Column reduction is also same procedure, that is nothing but if you are having 0, no need to neglect the value. Otherwise if you are not having 0, then we have to subtract the least value from the column, that is row reduction and column reduction. Next one we have to find, that is a matrix is reduced in by using every row and column is reduced. Next one, the matrix you can see here 5 by 5 matrix has been taken. 5 by 5 matrix is nothing but this is the 5 by 5 matrix. Next one we have to perform, that is row reduction and column reduction we have to perform. Here how to perform row reduction is nothing but you can see here row reduction. Here in the first row we are not having any 0. Next one we are having the infinity value. In the first row we are having the least value is nothing but 10. In and each and every element we have to subtract 10, that is 20 minus 10, 30 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 11 minus 10. Then the row reduction will be performed in each and every row. Next one, second row you can see here no zeros is there. Next one the least value is nothing but 2. We have to subtract 2 in the second row. Next one, third one you can see here, third one is nothing but third row is also not having the 0. Next one the least value in the row is nothing but 2 is the value. We have to subtract 2. Next one, next row is nothing but next one, fourth you can see here, fourth one is also not having any zeros. Next one the least value is nothing but 3 is the least value, we will subtract. Next one in the fifth one is also we are not having any 0. Next we have to reduce the least value, that is nothing but 4 is the least value. Like this we will perform the row reduction, that is first subtracting 10 to in the each and every row, that is 20 minus 10, 10. Next 30 minus 10 is nothing but 20. 10 minus 10 is nothing but 0. 11 minus 10 is nothing but 1. Second row, the least cost value is nothing but 2. That is 15 minus 2, 13. Next one infinity, 16 minus 2, that is 14. 4 minus 2, 2. Next one 2 minus 2, 0. Like this. Next third row is also not having 0. Next the least cost value is nothing but 2. We will subtract 2 from each and every element in the row. That is 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. 5 minus 2 is nothing but 2. 5 minus 2 is nothing but that is nothing but 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. It will be generated. Here you can see here 2 it has been generated, but the value is nothing but 3 is the value it will be generated. 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. Next one, infinity will be same. 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0. Next one, 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. Next one, in the fourth row, that is least cost value is nothing but 3. 19 minus 3 is nothing but 16. 6 minus 3 is nothing but 3. Next one, 18 minus 3, that is 15. Infinity value will be same, that is 3 minus 3 is nothing but 0. Next one, 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is nothing but 12. Next, 4 minus 4 is nothing but 0. 7 minus 4 is nothing but 3. 16 minus 4 is nothing but 12. Next, infinity value will be same. Next, this is the row reduction and column reduction value. Row reduction value only, this one. Next one, like this we have to perform column reduction on this matrix. Next one, column matrix, you can see here column reduction. This is the matrix we have to take the column reduction. Next one, you can see here in the each and every column we will be having zeros or not, you can see here. That is nothing but first column will not be having any zeros, then we have to subtract 1 from the row. Next one, you can see here we are having second column is nothing but we are having 0. No need to reduce the row column reduction value in the second column. Next one, third one we will be having we are not having 0 value. Next one, we have to reduce, that is 3 is the least value will be reduced in the third column. Next one, fourth column we will be having 0. Next one, fifth one is also having 0. Next one, will in the first column we will reduce the value, that is nothing but infinity will be same. 13 minus 1 is nothing but 12. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next one, 16 minus 1 is nothing but 15. 12 minus 1 equal to 11. Next one, second one, no need to, second column no need to subtract. Next one, third one is nothing but, you can see here least cost value is nothing but 3. 17. 20 minus 3 is nothing but 17. 14 minus 3 is nothing but 11. Next one, infinity will be same. Next one, 15 minus 3, that is 12 will be here. Next one is nothing but 3 minus 3 is nothing but 0. Next, fourth column no need to reduce. Fifth column is also no need to reduce. Here you can see here total reduction cost is nothing but, you can see here total reduction cost is nothing but row plus column. Row reduction value is nothing but this is the value 10 plus 2 2. Next one, 3 4. 10 plus 2 is nothing but 12. 14 12. 12 plus 2 is nothing but 14. 14 plus 3 is nothing but 17. 17 plus 4, 21 is the value in the row reduction value. Column reduction, you can see here 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4, that is the value. That is in the first node the value is nothing but at 1 the value is nothing but 21 plus 4 is nothing but 25 is the value, that is the least cost value that has been generated in the first node. In this procedure we will solve by using each and every node. By applying the row reduction value and column reduction value, we will continue the process and solve the problem by covering all the nodes and reaching to the starting vertex. That is nothing but a traveling salesman problem.